Hi everyone, good morning, my agent sisters, my YouTube family, my YouTube community. I just want to put this message across because I see so many people trying to use our women as a rehabilitation center for broken men. So, you know me now. I don't take rubbish. So I decided to let you ladies know that you can never be a rehabilitation center for any man, not even a broken one. You can never be a rehabilitation center for them. Let them be on their own and repair themselves. Don't make yourself a rehabilitation center for men that are not ready to be with you, for men that are broken. Many of these men, they are broken, they cannot fix themselves, and you are not in the place to fix them. You can never fix a man that is broken. So don't use yourself as a rehabilitation center for them, thinking that you can build them, because I see many of you women are conditioned into struggle love. You are conditioned into toxic relationship. You are conditioned to be with a man to build him, even if he's not ready to be built, even if it is not ready to be responsible, even if he is not ready to claim you as a wife or as a girlfriend anywhere in the public, in the closet, in your house. Many of you are conditioned to be with them. It is not supposed to be like that. You have to claim a man that is responsible, a man that claim you, a man that put the same energy as you are putting the relationship in the marriage. If they are not putting this energy, this time and everything in the relationship, please, my sister, quit. Don't use yourself as a rehabilitation center for anybody, for any broken man. Don't you. Let them go and rehabilitate themselves. If they are sex predator, whatever they have a narcissistic behavior, although that cannot be cured, they can go around and fix themselves up. I see a lot of women be in a relationship 10 years, 15 years, so many years. You're wasting your time there. Ladies, don't waste your time. You are not a rehabilitation center for these men. Let them go fix themselves. Let them go be a man. Okay, you are not their mommy, you are not their mother. That was the work that their mother was supposed to do before, but maybe the mother failed or something. He shifted the responsibility to you, thinking that you can be able to build a man. You can never build a man, because most of you African women, you think you can change these men. Men that go cold and hot, you cannot. They are narcissistic men. They have different traits, and you are going to suffer and be damaged at the end. So know when to quit, know when to stay, okay? Don't use yourself as a rehabilitation center or as a place where every bomb and every bullet will be coming to you. No, don't take it. Don't make your body that way. Don't damage yourself because you want to be in a relationship. You're going through pain. You are calling one pastor from another. You are calling people that are deceiving you around that they can help you. You cannot build a relationship that is broken alone, unless the other partner is ready to build himself, unless the other partner is ready to take his own responsibility. Because the society we are living this period, they don't talk to the men. They don't talk to the men. They don't think that it takes two to tango. The person that really have to put into a relationship is the man, not the woman. Because he went for a woman. He need a woman in his life. A man need a woman more than a woman need a man. So the moment you people start to understand that, I think things will be going fine in every relationship, every marriage. But a lot of you don't understand it. You think that you can carry this man with his toxic behavior, attitude, maltreating, abuse, and you will build him. You can't. Many of these men, they are not ready to build themselves. They are not ready to be a man that they are supposed to be. They think many of them are competing with you as a woman. Many of them are jealous of you because they cannot build their lives. So don't be deceived. Don't let anybody tell you you can build this home, you can do this. Look at how I'm building my home. Let them build their home. Your husband and their husband are never the same and will never be the same. We are individual in this life. We have different characters. We have different attitudes. We have different views of life, different ideology and whatsoever. So don't let anybody come around and tell you otherwise. Your relationship is what you are going through. Don't get it twisted by nobody. Women, you are not a rehabilitation camp for any broken man. Don't let anybody give you that desperation of being in a relationship that good or bad, you have to be there. No. Those better for worse, you have to be there. No. You have to be with people that are destroying your children. You have to be with a man that is destroying your kids. It's not possible. You have to take a leave with dignity so that you can be able to build your life and your self-confidence back. Don't wait to be broken. If they realize their problem, let them go and fix themselves. You are not made to fix any man. It is not your position. That should be their mother's position. And you can never play a good wife to a bad man. No matter what, you are going to be disgraced. You are going to end up in a place where you never expected. That is why many of you have to grow up. You have to grow the hell up, all of you. Don't be deceived by nobody. Your reality is not my reality. Don't let any pastor deceive you. Don't let anybody deceive you. You are not a rehabilitation center for anybody, and nobody is disturbing you, witchcraft or whatever. The problem is that many of these men, they wasn't brought up properly. They wasn't taught the way many of you women were taught how to sing properly, how to talk properly, how to chew properly, how to be with a man. Most of the Nigerian men wasn't taught how to do this. So where do you think from the blue that these men will just wake up and start to know how to behave? And many of them don't have common sense to even know all these things. That a lady have to be treated properly, she has to be respected, and the house has to be in peace. No cheating, no lying, no game playing, no narcissistic behaviors. They don't know all these things. Many of you ladies know all these things. You were trained to be with a man that is not trained, a man that is not properly brought up. So it is a problem. It is not about native daughter or wherever you travel to when you were going to Europe. Even what about the people in Africa? They are divorcing every day. Even the people in Europe, they are the ones that are likely to stay in a marriage if the men were even ready. But it happens that many of these men, they are not ready to be with a woman. They are not ready to be loyal. Many of them, they are so immature emotionally. They bring all types of drama into your life. That is why you have to wake up for the reality. If you can't be with be alone. It is good being alone. You can be alone, live your life, live your best life. You people don't know. You go around calling people, native pastors, native daughters, everybody are taking advantage of you. A lot of people are taking advantage of you. People that say that Nigeria is not good, but they are eating from you people right now. Why could they make it over here in Europe? People are taking advantage of you, adult women. Don't let your debility, your softness, your low moment, don't let people to prey on it. Wake up from sleep, get up and fight back. Throw away that dirty relationship and move on with your life. You will remember what I say. I love you all. It is the Real Edo Girl 247. If you don't like this message, go and take a seat. Bye-bye.